gel sensory bag using some common household items you probably have around your home. So the first thing you'll need is a Ziploc baggie, a marker, hair gel, a piece of paper, some pom-pom balls, and duct tape. So we're gonna start by adding the gel to the Ziploc bag. So you need to open your bag up. And then grab the gel and squeeze it in there. See how that looks? Get all the air out of there. I'm gonna add a little bit more. So once you put the gel in your bag, you're gonna need to try to get all the air out before you close it. And then spread it out just to make sure that there's enough gel in there to add your other stuff. Alright, so this is what mine looks like. So now, very carefully, I'm going to take the pom-pom balls out. For this you can use sparkles, you can use beads, really anything small will work just fine. So to practice those fine motor skills, we're going to grab these pom-poms using your pointer and your thumb and place them in the bag. You can add however many you want, whatever sizes. Alright, so now that we have our pom-pom balls in there, I'm going to have you make sure the air's out again and close it nice and tight. Alright, so to make sure that we don't have a mess, I'm going to use some duct tape at the top of my Ziploc baggie. Alright, I'm just going to fold it right over the top. So it looks like this now. So now your job is to spread those pom-pom balls out. Get them all nice and spread out in the gel. You can do one at a time. This really works on your fine motor skills. Make sure you get all of them in the gel or else they won't really move how you want them to. Alright, so my pom-pom balls are now in the middle of my bag. So now this is where the paper will come in. So on this piece of paper I just drew 3 little ice cream cone triangle shapes and I put 3 random numbers in the shapes. So this has 3, 6, and 9. And then I could put my bag over top of this paper and then try to match the amount of pom-poms above each, kind of making it look like an ice cream cone. So for the one that says 9, I would try to get 9 of them right in a vertical line. So another option is to kind of work on the skill of colors and coordinating the colors. So I have a yellow, green, and blue marker here. And I'll make those little cones again. So now that you have the little cones with the colors, you can place this place your gel bag over top of your paper. And you can still see the drawings. And then have your child put each pom-pom to the corresponding color. Again, you could use things like buttons or beads, whatever you have at home will work just fine. And you could also tape the bag to the paper if you would like to. That might make things a little easier. So just to kind of recap some of the skills that we work on in this activity. So opening and closing the containers, opening the gel, opening the Ziploc bag, squeezing the gel out works on some hand strength and fine motor. Sorting skills, so sorting stuff by color, by numbers, putting them in the right categories, that's another good skill to work on. Visual perceptual skills, and of course the sensory aspect. So hope you enjoy.